Gather your materials and follow along to create this cute costume. You will need 2 plastic platters about 15 inches in diameter, a half a yard of light brown felt, a fourth of a yard of red, green, and yellow felt, a small piece of white and dark green felt for the headpiece, a glue gun, elastic, and an alligator hair clip. Cut your brown felt into 2 circles that are about 1 to 2 inches wider than your platters. Place the felt under your platter and wrap the felt around the front, gluing it in place with your glue gun. Start by gluing at the top, bottom, and sides, and then fill in the spaces between those points for a nice even fit. Cut out small sesame seeds from your white felt and glue them on the front of your buns. From your green felt, cut 3 curvy pieces for the lettuce. Add a few small dots of glue and pinch the fabric together to give it a little texture. Glue the lettuce to the back side of the bun, spacing them evenly around the edge. Next, cut curved shapes from your red felt for tomatoes. Glue them to the back side of the buns between the lettuce pieces. Then cut 4 right-angled triangle pieces from your yellow felt for the cheese. Cut your elastic into 2 pieces that are 10 inches long. Glue the elastic to the top of the burger about 5 to 6 inches apart. Glue the other ends of the elastic to the back side of your bun and your burger is complete. To make the pickle head piece, cut a 6-inch circle of dark green felt. Cut out a light green circle for the top that is a little smaller. Cut 5 white sesame seeds and glue everything together. Glue the alligator clip on the middle of the back of the pickle and your pickle is complete. I hope your kids enjoy this costume. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.